Did you know that over 55 million people globally are living with Alzheimer's or dementia? What's even more alarming is that this number continues to rise each year. But what if we told you there's a powerful spice that could help protect your brain and lower your risk of developing these debilitating diseases after age 50? What is this spice and how does it work? More importantly, how can you start using it today to defend your brain against cognitive decline? Stick with us in this video as we reveal this remarkable spice supported by science and guide you on how to incorporate it into your daily routine, along with how long it takes to notice real benefits. Could this simple change be the key to preserving your brain health in the years to come? Let's find out. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. Let's first talk about cloves, a spice that could help prevent Alzheimer's and dementia after age 50. Cloves contain powerful compounds like eugenol, beta-caryophyllene, and gallic acid, which reduce oxidative stress and neuroinflammation, key drivers of neurodegenerative diseases. Eugenol acts as a potent antioxidant, while beta-caryophyllene helps activate CB2 receptors in the brain, reducing inflammation. A 2023 study found that eugenol can inhibit the formation of amyloid beta plaques, which are linked to Alzheimer's. Adding 1 to 2 grams of cloves to your daily diet, in teas, soups, or meals, may support long-term brain health. While clove essential oil can be used in aromatherapy, dietary intake is the most effective way to benefit your brain. 2. Black pepper. Next is black pepper, with its active compound piperine, which offers neuroprotective benefits that may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Piperine's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties combat oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in neurodegenerative diseases. It also enhances the bioavailability of other compounds, boosting their effectiveness in the brain. A 2020 study found that piperine inhibits acetylcholinesterase, an enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter vital for memory. By slowing its breakdown, piperine supports better communication between brain cells, helping to prevent cognitive decline. For optimal results, consume 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper daily. Pairing it with other brain-boosting foods can further enhance its long-term cognitive benefits, especially after age 50. Our next herb is there is ginger. Ginger emerges not just as a culinary favorite, but as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, long used to combat the inflammation associated with neuropathic pain and nerve damage. Ginger, long valued for its medicinal properties, is an excellent choice for neuropathic pain due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Substances such as gingerols and shogalls reduce pain and swelling, especially around injured nerves, by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines. Its warming effect also promotes blood circulation, aiding in the healing process and providing relief to affected areas. Similar to NSAIDs in its analgesic qualities but without the negative effects, ginger is a safer alternative for long-term nerve pain such as that caused by diabetic neuropathy. It is possible to reduce nerve pain and enhance nerve function by including ginger in your diet through tea, smoothies, or meals, as well as by using topical gels and supplements. Regular consumption can even help prevent further nerve damage, making ginger a holistic solution for neuropathy management. Next is rosemary, rich in carnosic acid, a powerful antioxidant that protects the brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid both fight oxidative stress and inflammation, preventing damage to brain cells and inhibiting harmful beta-amyloid plaques. A 2022 study found that rosemary extract improves cognitive function and reduces neuroinflammation, making it a strong candidate for neuroprotection, especially for those over 50. To reduce the risk of Alzheimer's, it's recommended to consume 1 to 2 grams of dried rosemary daily in meals or tea. Rosemary essential oil can also support cognitive function when used in aromatherapy. Consistency over time is key to reaping its brain-boosting benefits. Our next herb is Securing the top spot, turmeric is a powerful herb celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits, largely attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin effectively reduces inflammation and alleviates nerve pain by inhibiting enzymes that cause inflammation and boosting antioxidant levels. The herb's antioxidant properties protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, creating a more favorable environment for nerve regeneration and optimal function. Turmeric can be easily incorporated into your diet by adding it to meals, enjoying it in teas, or taking it as a concentrated supplement in capsule form. Regular use of turmeric can significantly enhance nerve function, reduce pain, and improve overall nerve health, making it a premier natural choice for managing nerve-related conditions. A 2018 study showed curcumin improves memory in those with mild cognitive issues. That concludes our top 7 herbs for nerve damage. Each herb offers unique benefits, so consider adding them to your routine for natural nerve support. Now it's your turn. Are you already taking any of these amazing spices? If yes, have you noticed any difference in your brain health? Or do you know of any other superfoods that help fight Alzheimer's and dementia? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep looking amazing. Bye. Now it's your turn. Are you already taking any of these amazing spices? If yes, have you noticed any difference in your brain health? Or do you know of any other superfoods that help fight Alzheimer's and dementia? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.